Are you building or renovating? Find everything you need for your project under one roof. See, touch and select from hundreds of building products in our world-class showrooms. Make all your product and colour selections without having to spend endless hours driving from showroom to showroom. Whether it's a DIY project or you are working with a builder, designer or architect, meet them at the Build and Design Centre to start your journey. Be guided by the experts and navigate the endless choices on offer. Make the Build and Design Centre your selection centre. Open 7 days, free parking, free entry. See you at the Build and Design Centre.